Okay.
Pinky from Vodacom, the state witness, is continuing in court providing evidence of cell phone records on the Sons of Mia trial. The state prosecutor Sibanda is leading her. She then told the court that as per RICA Act, a person must record their own phone numbers, not someone else. Sibanda made a silly example about RICA registration and said, can he, as Rodney Sibanda, RICA a SIM card as Charles Mnisi? Advocate Mnisi wasn't having it, wasn't pleased about that joke, and said he mustn't use that example using his name because he didn't do any fraud. Sibanda had to withdraw that example. She then placed the phone number on record 2772766 and EMZ SIM card number is 655011224 and the ICCD number is 892249 and the SIM start date is 17 May 2014 at 9:58 and the SIM card end date is 1 January 2050 at 12 o'clock. And the RICA registration date is 10 March 2012 at 10:59 and the end date of RICA is 1 January 2050 at 12. And also placed on record the ID number of the owner of a SIM card and the last digit of that ID is 903 and the personal details are Ntombisini Majola and also put physical address and put on record the agent name that was registering the SIM card. Sibanda said the evidence that they have is that the particular number belongs to accused number 3, Ntobisi Mncube. Pinky confirmed that it doesn't belong to him. Advocate Ramasipole, who was representing accused number 2, Bongani Danzi, made an objection and stated that according to the evidence of Kennel Hose, the call data refers to number 72505, but Sibanda is busy asking about 6890 and this is not the call data written to 6890. The related data is the number ending 7056. For an example, on the 26th of October 2020 at 1640, 6890 made a call and received a call from 6750 and went back to index that shows Gogo. That annexure he refers to. According to host, annexure related to download cell phones number 2772505, not the number ending 690. Sibanda said he is only focusing on the phone book to extract the names of the people appearing on the phone book, whether it was taken from or from other cell phone numbers, because it does not take the case any further. He's focusing on the names. Pinky from Vodacom justified that by saying they are establishing the line of questioning, and in her own opinion, they are looking numbers who they belong to, and she doesn't know these phones that were downloaded because that's irrelevant to her. Advocate Ramasipele said Sibanda should have made basis to say where he's referring to names and numbers is extracted from the download of 57056 so that the whole picture is placed in front of court. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.